In this class we are going to discuss about the next concept, that is bus structures. Okay, so see here, this bus structure is, it's very important topic for short question only, not long answer. Okay, it's very easy concept and it's a simple topic. Okay, so let us see what is meant by bus. So bus is nothing but, generally it is a collection of lines, or cables or pins. Okay, so that is called as the bus. Okay, so now we'll see here, bus structure is nothing but a group of lines that serves as the connection path to several devices is called a bus. Okay, so generally we can say that bus, we can call it as a medium. That means it will be connected as one path to the another path. That means if you want to connect one device to another device, the internal part, so that means in between that two devices, the bus will be mediator. Okay, so that means a group of lines that serves as the connection path to several devices. Okay, this is the connection path to several devices, that is called as the bus structure. So simply we can say that it is a medium. Okay, so these lines, so what are the lines we are using means, generally line is nothing but it may be consist of carrying the data or maybe address, or sometimes we can call it as the control signals also. Okay, so bus, we can say that it is a group of pins or it is a group of lines or cables. So cable is nothing but which consists of some information, right? So that information we can transfer from one line to another line. Okay, so simply we can say that, so this is the connection path to several devices. So that lines simply carrying the data or maybe address or control signal, depends on that operation, it will be carrying the different ways. Okay, so depends on that operation means, if maybe it consists of, maybe it needs that operation, maybe needs as data, then it lines will be carrying the data. Maybe the operation will needs the address, then the lines will be needs the address. Okay, the lines will be carrying the address, like that, depends on that operation the bus will be carrying. Okay, so see here, the bus structure will be consist like this. So input, these are the functional units of computers, no? So all the functional units will be connected as bus. Okay, so input to output we are connecting one bus, and like in between output to memory or memory to processor, so all the functional units will be connected as bus, because it will be through the bus only, through the bus only will send the data. Okay, so the bus only can send the data to one to another device. Okay, so see here, already you know, input, output, memory, processor, these are the functional units of computer, what it will do, what are the information it consists, and what is the main function of each and every unit means, you can go and check the functional units concept. Okay, so now coming to the types of bus structures. So bus structures are generally classified into two types. One is single bus structure and another one is multiple bus structure. Okay, so what is meant by single bus structure and what is meant by multiple bus structure means, the name itself, it consists, single is nothing but single, it may be consist of one line, and multiple bus structure is nothing but it consists of n number of lines. Okay, so now we'll see here single bus structure. So single bus structure is nothing but it allows only one transfer at a time. Okay, just now I explained single is nothing but one line. So that one line only consists of one transferring at a time. Okay, one line consisting of the data or it consists of the address, it can be sent at a time only. Okay, not twice or not thrice. Okay, it will be sent at a time only. Single attempt it will be transferring data. Okay, so now what about the cost means? Cost is very low because it consists of single line, no? So then the cost is very low, and it is very flexible for attaching peripheral device. So flexible is nothing but it is easy way, and for attaching peripheral is nothing but we can call it as whatever the input and output parts we are having, in the functional of computer units. Okay, so the computer maybe consists of inputs and output units, or different units we're having, no. So whatever the inputs and output devices it consists, that all will be called as peripheral devices. That means it is easiest way to attaching the input and output devices. Okay, so and its performance is very low because it consists of single line and it transferring the at a time only. So then automatically the performance is very low. Okay, so that means here performance is low is nothing but speed of operation is very slow. Okay, so then the operation of the performance is very low. Now coming to the multiple bus structure, so it allows two or more transfers at a time. So just now I explained, now multiple is nothing but n number of lines, so then automatically it will be transferring time is increased. So two or more transfers at a time, so it will be sending at a time two or more lines at a time. Okay, so now the cost is very high because it consists of n number of lines. No, single line it may be the cost is single cost, per single line it may be cost is low. Multiple lines means that cost will be increased, it may be double the cost, right? So the cost is high and its performance is high, so automatically the lines will be increased means automatically the performance is high. So this is the bus structure we are having. So this is very very important for short answer, ma, remember that one. Okay, so just write the definition of bus structure and what are the types and what it consists. Okay, so that's it, this is the bus structure concept.